Hello guys, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to fund TonKeeper wallet. Let's get started. Start by opening TonKeeper on your device. Tap on Receive. Here, you have two options to fund your wallet. One is to simply scan the QR to transfer fund. Another is to copy and paste the link to the person that will be funding you. You can simply copy the link by tapping on the copy icon. Just like so. And that is how to fund TonKeeper wallet. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.